Welcome to Alviki Biography.
Harika Narayan is one of the most successful singers in the present generation. Harika Narayan is the great granddaughter of Padma Vibhushan Dr. Mangalam Palli Balamurali Krishna Garu. He was a famous Indian Carnatic vocalist and musician. She has not only outshined as a singer but also acted in a few films like Brahmotsavam, Mukunda and Saira. Please don't skip this video. Let's start singer Harika Narayan's lifestyle and biography. Real name Harika Narayan. Date of birth 4th October 1995. Age as in 2022 27 years. Birthplace Razol, East Godavari, Andhra Pradesh, India. Profession singer. Harika family details. Father K.V. Lakshmi Narayana. Mother K.V. Nagalakshmi. Brother K. Yashwant. Harika career details. Harika has trained in music since her childhood under many famous musicians. She mentions her musical gurus as her mother K.V. Nagalakshmi since the second standard, and later she had to move to Hyderabad, so she took training under the guidance of her aunt B.V.N.L. Padmavati. In 2011, she started training under Sri D.V. Mohan Krishna and continued to be his student for 10 long years. Even received many certificates and completed a diploma in music under his guidance. Later, she then started to learn light music under Sri K. Ramachari. Since her college days, she never gave up her interest in music, so she parallelly received a diploma in Carnatic Vocal Classical. She did not stop there and started her PG post-graduation in Carnatic Vocal, MA Master of Arts in Music from Padmavati University, Tirupati, India. While pursuing the second year of her BTech, she got selected as a chorus singer in Swarabhishekam. Then later went to auditions of Paduta Tiyaga and even got selected. But she couldn't be a part of the Paduta Tiyaga contestant as she was already taking part in Swarabhishekam. Later, Harika received an offer to perform in a concert being held in the USA along with Balu sir and his team. It was a very critical situation for her to make a decision because she then had her final semester exams to be held in the same month. Then on her father's encouragement and her strong guts to take part in the concert, she flew to the USA and successfully has been a part of it. The trip was held for about 2.5 months. Harika took part in various music reality shows and competitions as Swarabhishekam, Paduta Tiyaga, Bol Baby Bol, Alapana, Samaja Varagamana, Sing Dil Se, National Hindi Singing Competition, Annamaya Pataku Pattabhishekam, and even worked as an assistant director for Paduta Tiyaga for 2 years. Harika started her singing career with the Friday Night Baby song from the Suryakantam movie. Later, she has sung songs for many Telugu movies like Agent Sai Srinivasa Atreya, Miss India, Black Rose, Amirpet to America, I Love You, Hello, Veerabhoga Vasantarayulu, Geeta Govindam, Katamarayudu, Acharya and Sarkaru Varipata. Now let we know some more things about Harika.
For more celebrities, lifestyle and biography videos,
please do like, comment, share and subscribe to our channel.
for more details, activate activate the bell icon.